Today we start chapter 6, exercise 6e. So in this exercise we are doing the question, find each of the following product. Okay, so this is the question number 1 of this exercise. This is 4a. This is in bracket 3a plus 7b. Okay, so we are doing these questions. So let me start from first question. So in which 4a is multiply this whole of the bracket. This is 3a plus 7b. So this 4a, first we multiply it with 3a, and second this 4a is whole multiply with the whole of this bracket. So first we multiply with 3a and second we multiply 4a with 7b, like that. Okay, so we know that first we multiply the constants. This is 4 into 3 is 12, and the a this is a raised to power 1, this is a raised to power 1, so this is a raised to power 2 plus 7 for the 28, and a into b multiplied by ab. So this is the answers of first question. Okay, so similarly we are doing the next question of this exercise. The question is this is second question. This is 5a. This is multiplied by 6a minus 3b. Okay, so similarly we are doing this 5a is multiplied with first with 6a, and then plus, here the sign is plus, this plus minus is minus, then 5a is multiplied with 3b second, then 5a right, and then multiplied with 3b. Okay, so constant multiply first. 6 5 is 30, so 30 here, and a multiply, this is a raised to power 1, a raised to power 1, so base is same and the power will be added, so it is a raised to power 2, then minus sign, 5 3 is 15, ab. So this is the answers of second question. Next we are doing the question number of this exercise. This is fifth question करेंगे अब हम. बाकी आप खुद करेंगे, बाकी इजी हैं, सिमिलरली करना है आपने. तो फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज ab is multiplied with a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2. Okay, so same questions. In this question first we multiply ab with a square, so this is ab, we write like that, and this is ab is multiplied with a raised to power 2. Okay, and then this plus sign, this minus plus minus minus, then ab is multiplied with b square, so it is right ab into b raised to power 2. So the answers will be, this is a raised to power 1. Okay, so this is b raised to power 1, a into a, the like term, so be a raised to power 1 plus 2 is 3, then we write b, minus a is this and b1 b2, so this is b raised to power 3. बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो है आपकी बेस सेम होता है, देन पावर विल बी एडेड, सो वी राइट लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट वी आर डूइंग द क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज, द सेवंथ क्वेश्चन. द सेवंथ क्वेश्चन विल बी 3 by 5, then m raised to power 2 and n in bracket, it will be m plus 5n. Okay, so this question is same. This number is multiplied first with m, so we write like that 3 by 5 m raised to power 2, then n, this is multiplied with first m, so we write m raised to power 1. Okay, and the here sign plus, here plus 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 sign, then 3 by 5 is multiplied m square n, this is full number is multiplied with 5n, like write like that. Okay, we write 5 raised to n raised to power 1. So the 3 by 5 here 1, 3 by 5 into 1 is 3 by 5. First we multiply constant, then m raised to power 2, m raised to power 1, so it is m raised to power 3, n is here. Okay, and then 3 by 5 is multiplied with 5 first, so we यहीं पे कटिंग कर देते हैं ऊपर ही. 5 is cancels with this 5 because it is in denominator and it is in numerator, so 3 m raised to power 2 and n is 1 here, n is 1, so multiply करेंगे, then n raised to power 2 is the answer. So this is the question number 7. Next we are doing the question number of this exercise is 8th question भी कर लेते हैं. चलिए, the 8th question will be the minus 17x raised to power 2, this is multiplied with 3x minus 4. So in this question, first we multiply minus 17x raised to power 2 is with 3. So we write like that 17x raised to power 2 into 3x. Then we take minus minus. This minus sign is multiplied with minus first. Then we write the plus sign. This minus minus is plus 17x square second. X raised to power 2 is multiplied with this 4. We write like that. And then first we multiply the constant term. So 17 3 is 51. So minus 51. Then x raised to power 1 and 2. This is x raised to power 3. And plus then 17 4 is 8 68. So it is 68 x raised to power 2. So this is the answers of 8th question. Next we are doing the question number 11th of this exercise. The question number 11th is minus 4 by 27 x y z. This whole is multiplied with 9 by 2 x raised to power 2 y and z. Then minus 3 by 4. Then x y z raised to power 2. Okay. So same questions. First we multiply this whole number with this number. Then we write like minus 4 by 27 x y z multiply with this number 9 by 2 x raised to power 2 y and z. And then here the minus sign, here the plus minus sign, then minus minus is plus. We write here plus sign. Then 4 by 27 x y z. Okay, so this is whole multiply with 4 by x y. This is with 3 by 4. Then x y and z raised to power 2. Okay, so now we cut here 9 3 is 27, 2 to the 4. Okay, so and here we cut 9 3 is 27. Okay, so here 4 4 we cut. So what is left here? Here left the minus and 2 divided with 3. Then x, here the x raised to power 2. So x raised to power 1 we write. Then x raised to power 3 make. Then y1 it is y raised to power 2. Because here y raised to power 1, here y raised to power 1. Here z raised to power 1, z raised to power 1. So it is z raised to power 2. Okay, then the plus sign. The next one, here what we left, the constant number is 1 by 9 is left. Because here 1 by 9, then x is multiplied with this x, then it is x raised to power 2. Then y1 is y1, so it is y raised to power 2. Then z1 is multiplied with z square, it is z raised to power 3. So this is the answers of question number 11. So note on this question of this 6A exercise is 1.5a. This is all multiplied with 10a raised to power 2 and b. Then minus then 100 a b raised to power 2. So these questions we doing first. Then in these questions, first we multiply 1.5a is multiplied with 10a raised to power 2 and b. Then minus, here the plus minus minus. Then we write 1.5 into 100 a b raised to power 2. Okay. So in this question, first we change this decimal into fraction form. It is 15 by 10 we write. Then a into 10 a raised to power 2 and b. Then we write it also in the fraction for 15 by 10 into 100 a b raised to power 2. So 0 0 is cut with here. So here the 0 1 is cut, and what is left? 15 is left in the constant number. 15 a raised to power 1, a raised to power 2, it is a raised to power 3. Then b 1. 15 into 10 is 150 here. Then a and b raised to power 2. This is the answers of question number 15. Next we are doing the question number 15 of this same 6A exercise. This is 2 by 3. Then a b is c. Then a raised to power 2 plus b raised to power 2 minus 3c raised to power 2. This is the question. The same question we first multiply with 2 by 3. This is a b c into, first we multiply with a raised to power 2. ओके, सो ये जो बाहर नंबर होता है ये आपका ईच जितनी भी टर्म्स होती हैं बीच में ईच टर्म्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करता है विद देयर साइन भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ए स्केयर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, सेकंड इट मल्टीप्लाई विद 2 by 3 ए बी सी मल्टीप्लाई विद बी रेज़ टू पावर 2. And then here the plus sign, here the negative plus minus is minus sign. Then 2 by 3 a b c is multiplied with 3c raised to power 2. Okay, so here what we left, here the not cut, so it is 2 raised to power 3 is left. Then a1 a2 it is a3, then b c, plus here 2 by 3 is left, so a and b raised to power 1 and 2 b raised to power 3 c, and then minus sign, and here 2 by 3, so 3 is cut with here with the denominator and numerator, so it is 2 a b and c1, c2 it is c3. So this is the answers of question number 15 of this exercise. So now on this number 16, find the product of 24x raised to power 2 multiply with 1 minus 2x and evaluate it for x is equal to 2. So first we multiply this and this. We write like 24x raised to power 2 into 1 minus 2x. So multiply first 24x square is first with 1, then 24 into x raised to power 2 is multiply with 1. Then the plus minus minus sign, 24 x raised to power 2 is multiplied with 2x. Okay, so what the answer will be, this 24x raised to power 2 and minus 24 into 2 is 48, x raised to power 1 and 2, this is x raised to power 3. So this is we get the, when we multiply this one with this whole bracket. So evaluate the answer when we put the value of x is 2 in this. So we put x is equal to 2 in this. So 24 x raised to power 2 minus 48 x raised to power 3. So in which 24 into, we put x is 2 here. So it is 2 raised to power 2 minus 48 and then 2 raised to power 3. So 24, this is 2 raised to power 2 is 4 minus 48, 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So 24 into 4 is 16, 1, 96. It is 96 here, and 48 is multiplied with 8, 4, 6, 3, 8, 4. Okay. 3, 8, 4. So 3, 8, 4 is subtracted with 96. So what is left? 14 minus 6 is 4 and 2 is 8 here. Then it is 17, 7 into 8, then 2, 288. So minus 288 is the answers of this. In the question number 17, this 60 exercise, the question is find the product of AB. So into a square plus b square. So first we multiply AB with a raised to power 2 plus b raised to power 2. So in this same, the AB is multiplied first with a raised to power 2 in bracket, and second plus is plus sign here. Then AB is multiplied with b raised to power 2. So what is left? It is here is a raised to power 1. So it is a raised to power 3 and b, plus here a raised to power 1. So it is a, b. So 1 into b it is b raised to power 3. So this is the product. And we evaluate the answers of these questions when we put the value of a is 2 and b is 1 by 2. So here we put the value of a, the 2 raised to power 3 into b is 1 by 2. Okay, then plus sign, then 2 is a and then b is 1 by 2 raised to power 3. So here with 2 raised to power 3 means we multiply 2 with 3 times. Okay, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So it is 8 into 1 by 2 and then plus sign, then 2 multiplied with 1 by 2. It is in denominator 2 raised to power 3 means the 2 multiplied with 3 times, it is still 8. So 2, 4 to the 8, 2 4 the 8. So 4 plus 1 by 4. So what is the LCM will be 4. Then 16 plus 1. So answer will be 17 by 4 of this question. Okay. So this is the answers of 17 question. 4 4 16 plus 1 is 17 by 4. Next we are doing the question number 19 of this same exercise. The solution will be the of this question is, first we multiply this minus 3y with xy plus y square. So we write here minus 3y with xy plus y raised to power 2. Minus 3y first multiply with xy, then we write minus 3y is multiplied with xy. Then minus plus, the sign will be minus, Then we write 3y multiplied with y raised to power 2. So the answer is 3. Here y1 it is y2 into x, then minus, then 3 y1 y2 it is y3. So if you take minus 3 is common in this, and so no need to common, it is हम ऐसे भी कर लेंगे इसको, ठीक है. So here we put the value with this x raised to power 4, then y is 5. So what will be the answer? So we evaluate at this x4 and y5. So here we put the value of minus 3 into y is, here we put 5 raised to power 2, then x is 4 here, we put here x is 4, then minus here 3, and y we put 5 raised to power 3. So evaluate it, minus 3 is here, 5 raised to power 2 means 5 we multiply 2 times, so 5 25 into 4, and minus 3 into, here we 5 we multiply 3 times, then 125 we get. Okay, so 4 3 is 12 minus 25 is, we multiply 10, 2 to the 4, 5 1 2 1 0, 10 3, 300. So 4 3 is 12 multiplied 25, it is minus 300. Okay, so then minus 125 multiplied with 3, 125 multiplied with 3, 15 1 3 to the 6 plus 1 7, ठीक है, और 375 it will be. So here the negative sign in both. Okay, so sign will be negative and both the value will be added. So it is 6 7 5 is the answer of this question number 19. C minus a plus c is multiplied with a minus a. So first one by one we multiply this first with this b minus b minus c whole. So a is multiplied with b, so it is ab, minus a is multiplied with c, it is ac. Then we take the plus sign, the next, then b multiplied with c, it is bc, minus b is multiplied with a, ba, plus c is multiplied with a, it is ca, minus c is multiplied with c, b. Okay, so if we write ca और ac one and the same thing. Okay, मल्टीप्लिकेशन की फॉर्म में अगर हम किसी नंबर को पहले लिख लेते हैं, जिस सी को पहले लिख लिया, तो उसको बाद में लिख दिया ए सी, और ये जो ए सी और सी ए है ये दोनों सेम नंबर हैं, ठीक है, इनकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन को हम आगे पीछे लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो ए सी प्लस माइनस में है और ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, ठीक है, प्लस माइनस में ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाते हैं. सी बी, सी बी बी सी एंड सी बी इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग, ये भी दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे आपके, एंड ए बी एंड बी ए भी कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, ये भी दोनों सेम है, तो आंसर विल बी 0 ऑफ दिस 20 क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. फर्स्ट वी मल्टीप्लाई द x विद x, so it is x raised to power 2 plus x with 4x multiply, then 3x is multiplied with 2, first 3 to the 6, then x is multiplied with x raised to power 2, so it is x raised to power 3. 3x is multiplied with minus 1, so plus minus minus sign, then 3x. Okay, and the next 4x2 plus 4 is left. So now we added or subtract the like term. So like term here the x square, then here 4x square, so दोनों में plus sign है, so we write 5x raised to power 2, because here we take the 1, so both when added, so here is 1 and 4. ये कैसे added होते हैं आपको मैं यहाँ पे explain कर देता हूँ. when x square plus 4x square जो add होते हैं, तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी sign नहीं है, we take the, ये मैं रफ में आपको समझा रहा हूँ, 1 है यहाँ पे 4 है, तो इसको कैसे होता है, ये इसमें x square is common, दोनों में हम x square कॉमन ले लेते हैं, यहाँ पे 1 plus 4, so 4 plus 1 is 5, so it is become 4x square, sorry 5x square. so 5x square इस तरीके से बनता है ये, ठीक है. तो इस तरीके से हम इसको रफ पे आपको समझाया मैंने. तो नेक्स्ट लाइक टर्म है 4x minus 3x, तो 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1x, so we write x. प्लस साइन आएगा क्योंकि 4 कैपिटल बड़ा है यहाँ पे, उसके साथ प्लस साइन है, यहाँ पे स्मॉल 3 है, तो नेगेटिव साइन है 4 minus 3 1, so 1x आएगा, तो वी राइट x. नेक्स्ट लाइक टर्म है 6x क्यूब, वी राइट 6x raised to power 3, एंड द नेक्स्ट द कांस्टेंट टर्म इज लेफ्ट plus 4, so the answers will be this. इसको हम आगे पीछे ले सकते हैं, 6x क्यूब पहले भी ले सकते हैं, इसको इस तरीके से भी ले सकते हैं, 6x क्यूब प्लस 5x तो 2 प्लस x प्लस 4, ठीक है, वन एंड द सेम ही थिंग है, मतलब दोनों सेम ही है, इस तरीके से भी ले सकते हैं। दिस इज द 23 क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट द 25 क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज इज a2b is multiplied with a, so a2 here a1, so it is a3 and b with them, then the minus sign a2b multiplied with b square, then a2 and b1 is multiplied with b2, it is b3, then plus sign a1 b2 multiplied with 4ab, so first 1 into 4 is 4, constant number is 4 here, a1 is multiplied with a, so it is a2, b2 is multiplied with b1, it is b3, then the plus minus minus sign, 1 2 2 is here, 2 1 are 2, so a1 is multiplied with a2, it is a3, then b2, then the minus sign, this a3b is multiplied with 1, it is a3b, minus minus plus, a3 is multiplied with 2b, so it is 2a3 and b1 it is b2. So now we added or subtract the like term. So like term here is this is a3b, this is a3b. So this sign is plus, this sign is minus, plus minus is cancelled. Then now the like term is a2b3, a2b3 this one. Okay, so यहाँ पे one sign, take the 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3. Then a2b3. Okay, so इसको भी हम अगर रफ में देखें तो जैसे माइनस a2b3 है प्लस 4a2b3 है, ये कैसे बना आपका 3ab, तो हम इसको ऐसे दे सकते हैं, इफ यू टेक a2b3 इज कॉमन, a2b3 इज कॉमन, देन हेयर वी लेफ्ट माइनस 1, हेयर वी प्लस 4, so minus 1 plus 4 is 3, then a3, sorry here the a2 है यहाँ पे, a2 b3 is left, तो इस तरीके से ये बनता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। So now the next is like term a2b3, this is ये कंप्लीट हो गया, यहाँ पे है a3b2, so a3b2 ये दोनों सेम है, प्लस माइनस का साइन है तो ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ठीक है। So what is left? This is left, this is the answers of 25 question. Next we are doing the question number 26, is 26 question of this last question of this exercise 6c. So question is 4st multiplied with first s minus t, so we write like 4 here s1 raised to power 1, s raised to power 1, so it is s raised to power 2 and t, and the next 4st multiplied with minus t plus minus minus, then 4s t1, so it is multiply then t raised to power 2 here. Next minus 6s square multiplied with t, so minus 6s raised to power 2 into t, then minus minus plus 6s raised to power 2 into t raised to power 2. The last here minus 3 multiplied with, so plus minus minus sign, 3 to the 6, t raised to power 2 and s raised to power 2, these are like terms. So next minus minus plus, sign will be plus, and 3 into 1 is 3 and t raised to power 2 and s. The last plus sign plus plus, then 2st is multiplied with s, so it is 2s raised to power 2 into t. So it is s raised to power 1, s raised to power 1, when multiply then s1, it is s raised to power 2. And the plus minus minus, then 2s t raised to power 2. So here t1 and t1, it is t raised to power 2 when these multiply. So now we added or subtracted the like term. So here 4s2 and this is s2t minus 6s2t. So last 2s2t. So these are like terms, this one and this one, because their terms are like s raised to power 2t, s raised to power 2t and s raised to power 2t. So here we first we added by board mass, 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so when we added this one, so it is 6s2t. Okay, so we write 6s2t. Then we write this 6s2t, and next we added like term. Here second is 4st2. So next like term with this like 4st2. So 4st2 this one, 4st2 this one. So by board mass, so this is minus, okay, st2, so this is in plus, and s t2. This is minus. So minus 4 and minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus. So we write like minus 6 s t2. Then write this. This is plus. Plus 2s. Sorry. This is this one. Sorry. 3 t2s. So this is the one and the same thing. If we write st raised to power 2 or t square s, this is the one and the same thing. These are like term. Okay. In multiplication we write first s or first t2. This is both the same thing. Okay. So next like term is this is s2 t2. S2 t2 this one. This is plus minus sign, so we cut here because these are same values and plus minus sign, so we cut. So this is we left. So this is also s2. This is plus minus sign. This is also cut. So what is left? We left 3 minus 6. So minus 3 s t raised to power 2. Okay. So this is the answers of